Hello, good day. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at this question before us that has to do with addition and subtraction in number base. Now, remember that in number base, the basics determines the results. For each of those base, the highest number that can appear in any base is usually one less than the base. So in base 7, the highest digit that can appear in base 7 is 6. So when carry out addition or subtraction of a number base, the base tell us what is to be done. So let's look at the case of addition here. Now we have a 4 plus 4. That will usually amount to 8. Okay, now 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we cannot put down 8 here because in base 6, the highest digit that can appear in base 6 is 5. So, but we're having 8 here. So what we need to do is to ask how many 6 are contained in 8 is 1. It means 8, it simply means 1 times 6 plus 2. Okay, that means 1 6 remainder 2. So usually what you will put down here is the remainder. Okay, but you remember the number of 6 that are contained in 8 is 1. So this one here we have to add it to the next operation here. So we put it here. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So here, since we have 10 here, we cannot drop 10 here exactly. So how many 6 are contained in 10? That's the next question. It's 1 6. So 1 times 6 plus 4. So 10 is 1 6, leaving the remainder of 4. So remember that the remainder is what should be put down here. So here is 4. Then the next thing is we have a 1 6 here, so we add it to this. This is 1 plus 4, that's 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 again. That means the remainder there will also be 4. So we put down the remainder and attach this one to the next result. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Now, in case of 9, we ask ourselves how many 6 are contained in 9, and the remainder is 1 6. So it means 1 times 6 plus 3. Okay, so we will put down the remainder. This one here, since there's no operation here, we indicate it here, and usually you must indicate the base here. That is, if you sum these numbers, the result is usually 1 3 4 4 2 in base 6. Now let's look at the case of subtraction here and see what is obtainable. Now for here, look at this, the number we're trying to subtract from. Okay, now 4 minus 6 is not possible. Okay, we need to borrow from the next digit to the left, and this time you borrow the number so borrowed represent the base. So if we decide to borrow one from here, this will be reduced to 2, and that one borrowed represents 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, that gives 11. Now 11 minus 6, we are looking at 11 minus 6, and that definitely will give 5. So here, what is left here is 2. 2 minus 5 is not possible. That means we need to borrow from 2, which is the next digit to the left, and here will be reduced to 1, and that one so borrow represents 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we put down 4 here. Then here, 1 minus 4 is not possible, so that means we have to borrow from 5. Once we remove 1 from 5, it is reduced to 4. Okay, then that one represents 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 4, and that gives 4. Here, 4 minus 2 is possible, so the result is 2 4 4 in base 7. So always indicate the base. This is how to carry out addition and subtraction in number base. Please, if you find this video piece of information very useful, please help me subscribe, follow my Facebook page. See you in my next virtual class.